Okay guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to be working on this picture. We're going to be doing the backgrounds and skin tone. So I'll put you through on frequency separation and eye widening. If the picture is blur, I would sharpen it a little bit. So let's dive into it. So the first thing I normally do is duplicating the background. Command J or Control J. It's a shortcut for duplicating the background. So then I'll use the patch tool. I did a video on how to do the backgrounds, so go and check that up on my YouTube channel. I think it's how to work on seamless backdrops. That's the title. So I'll just have to go over this fast. Okay guys, so for this place I'll just use the rectangular marquee tool and select, right click, fill, content aware. Okay guys, it's done. Next thing to do is let me just still use the patch tool to smoothen out the background. Check for stains and patches, select and select them and drag to a smoother place. Okay, I think this is alright. So mixer brush, the next two, and then just blend over the backgrounds without touching the subject's body a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. So this I would like to work on this box. Select the patch tool again. I'll just take this off just like this. Just take the obvious scratches that don't look good, and this just do like this, and very easy. So I think that's good. So this is the before and after. So I think there's something here. Just take that out as well. Okay, so I think I'm okay with the background now. I'll just merge them. Then let's go to eyes and teeth. So I have a video on how to do eye and teeth whitening action. I created mine, so you can watch the video and learn how to do yours. So I'll just go over it and paint. If you also want this action sent to your Gmail, you can just message me on Gmail, bmkshots@gmail.com. So I'll just go over this fast. Okay, I think I'm done. Before and after, so I'll just reduce the opacity of this to a milder look, so it won't be too much, doesn't look fake. Okay, this is alright. Let me see. So okay, this is alright. Flatten image. Then the next thing is frequency separation. So I also have a video on frequency separation. You can check that out as well. So first thing, use the lasso tool to select the skin tone. Okay, so that's good. Okay, the next thing I'll do is go to filter, head to blur, Gaussian blur, and let me see. Okay, I think 9 is alright. 9 is good. I'll use 9. I did a very good comprehensive video on frequency separation on my channel, so you can check that out. So clone stamp to alternate and select to remove spots. Hold down alternate and click on a free place, a free surface without wrinkles or spots. That will copy the surface. Then you paint all over anywhere that is rough, and you can reduce your brush sizes. You can zoom in, but I don't always zoom in like this. You can zoom in. So I'll just go over this fast. So okay, so we have done this and it's already looking good. So this is the before and this is the after. So let me continue. The perfection that comes with using your clone stamp tool, it takes years of years of consistency in working on pictures. It took me like it took me many years to finally get a hang of patch tool, like, and it's one of my favorite tools in Photoshop. Like I can maneuver any spot. Like by the time I'm done with these pictures, you know what I'm talking about. So I'll just take this not so I'll just remove these wrinkles, these lines, just take them off a bit. That's alright. I like my pictures to be realistic. Okay, this is alright. And by the way, I also have spaces left for one-on-one class. I do one-on-one class or mentorship if you like. So in case you can't fully grasp what I'm saying here, if you want a one-on-one class, you can message me on my Gmail and we will talk about it. So the hand is not bad, so I'll just leave it like that. So back to the face. I think we are done with the face now. We are done with the face. So this is the before and after. Let me do, even without blending the face, it looks blended already. So this is the before and this is the after. Seems like magic, right? Before and after. So just with just with the clone stamp tool, I did this. So you can also do it with any picture. Practice makes perfect, and practice makes mastery. So the next thing to do is working on the low frequency, which is the skin tones. The high frequency is the high frequency rather is used for working on the textures, wrinkles, spots, pimples, fine lines, and the rest. While the low frequency is used for working on skin tones. So I'll just blend this place a little bit. So this is good. Okay, so I think we are right. We are good with this. So I think I'm seeing something here. I think it's a pimple. Just clone that out, and also here. Okay, we're good now. So next thing I'll do is flatten image, and the picture is already sharp, so I don't think I would need to sharpen the picture. So next is levels to add some contrast to the image. So I like to keep this at least 5 or 7, then pop this out a bit, just like a minimal color grading. So as you can see, the picture has more depth now. So this is it, before and after. So let me see if I can increase this a bit. Then before and after. Okay, let me just make this 20. So guys. Okay, then the next step, I think I'll just flatten this as well. Then next step is my logo. I'll do a concise video on how to create a logo and saving it. Should I put it here? No, let me put it here. Yeah, it's better. So okay, that's perfect. So that's it, guys. We started from somewhere and now we're here. Guys, like this video, comment, share it, turn on post notification for more videos, and expect more videos. Thanks for watching.